Hello, this is Eddie from WMR in Stuart, Florida. I'm here to give the moto dads that own 50s a little quick tip that can go a very, very long way. It takes very little time to do this. So 50s, they are designed like a big bike shock. Big bike shocks are usually sitting upright like this. You have your cap at the bottom with a weep hole. So that weep hole is designed so when water gets in, it's able to come out. But the only shock in the Austrian lineup that's upside down is the 50. So this shock is normally upside down. So what happens is when the shock is upside down, then water is able to sit above your seal head. And then this cap really isn't doing its function because now the weep holes are above the water and due to gravity it can't come out. What that leads to is basically seal heads that get very, very rusty. This could cause a lot of issues. It could even take it to the point where it damages your cylinder and things get a little more expensive. One quick tip is after washing the bike, take the time to remove the shock, flip it upside down, and if you have an air compressor, don't go too crazy, but just take a little bit of air, blow whatever you can out, or even simply just say, flip it, upside down from how it was mounted so that the weep holes can do their job and just let the excess water run out. So it's not sitting basically on top of your seal head its whole life. But that's a very quick tip that can go a very long way. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.